Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Matic video update. I've been watching Matic for quite a while now, and Matic is quite strong, isn't it? This time it has been making some amazing movements, and it's looking pretty good, you know, like chart wise and the candlestick. Now Matic could be on the verge of making a cup and handle. Number one, you know, it's really important to point out one resistance here that probably you're coming down to backtest and hold like a boss. Could be so, but you know, then again, it might also not be. Actually, you're losing it. You know, it's really important to draw the trend line. So what I'm going to do is actually shift into a line chart so that we can get all the points marked up pretty correctly. So yeah, I think this is pretty much right on the money, just like this one, and boom, just like that one. We want to get the highest part of the lines, and more touches the better. So yeah, drawing a trend line is quite tricky, so always shift to a line to make it easier because candles can actually have the wicks to the upside and don't actually include the wicks. So you do have that touch, that one right over there, this one right over here, one right nearly over there, one here, one very clearly there, one here, and you broke to the downside and you're below the line again. So it's not breaking out, it's actually falling under the line once again. Okay, so that's the first thing that I want to point out. The next thing is on the daily is a chance of a cup and handle. So you do have this amazing, beautifully shaped cup right there, and you're looking for the handle to be formed. Now, in order for us to get bullish, I'm going to show you the neckline here, and this is the neckline that you really want to break. So if you see Matic somehow break this neckline, then you're looking for a technical target from there to there, and you're going to be going up here to nearly this price level. It's going to be 0.8279, and that's going to be a price increase up here to 35%, 36% to the upside. So the level is going to be 0.6, and break the 0.6, hold it like a boss, then it's a 35% journey to the upside. But right now, if this cup and handle is not something that is going to be formed, keep in mind about the resistance that I just showed you, that you are still below a particular resistance. You just broke it, came down for the retest, and now you fall below it, and you could be rejected here and start to go lower. So don't get bullish, only get bullish when you break a resistance and hold it. Boom, that's amazing. And that's it for this quick update on Matic. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.